Namaste. Welcome to this tutorial on awarding certificates in Genomio Moodle course. At the end of this session, the learners will be able to create simple certificate activity in Moodle course, and learners will be able to award simple certificate to the learners. Simple certificate. This is a module or activity which helps the teacher to create a custom certificate, and then teacher can able to issue or award this certificate to the participants or learners who have completed the course or a specific activity which is fixed by teacher, such as quiz, assignments, and etc. So, there are few requirements before creating the certificates in Genomio Moodle course. Firstly, you have to design a certificate background image in suitable software. For example, PowerPoint presentation, CorelDRAW, Paint, etc. There are some image types that are accepted by Genomio Moodle, that is BMP, GIF, JPEG, JPG, PNG, and etc. The accepted image types list is given in simple certificate activity in Moodle also. Remember, you have to create a certificate background image in A4 size page. So let's see how to create and award simple certificate into Genomio course. So just log in into your Genomio site and get into your course. Then just click on this gear icon. So you will get this pop-up window. So just click on turn editing on so that edit options and add an activity and resource options are visible to you. Just like this. So just scroll down and click on add an activity or resource where you want to add a simple certificate activity. So just click on add an activity or resource. You will get this list of activities. Try to find out the simple certificate activity. So just scroll down. So here simple certificate activity is not available in that particular list. So just click on cancel tab. So you will hear if certain activities are not available in add an activity or resource list, then you have to follow the next steps to make that particular activity available in that list. So first click on site administration tab, then click on plugins, then you will get a manage activities. So just click on it. Then you have to find out that particular activity which is not available in add an activity list. So just find that activity and make it enable so that that particular activity will be available in that list. So just do this. Scroll down. So you will get a site administration tab at left bottom corner. So just click on it. Then you have to click on these plugins. Once you click here, you will get the list of activity modules. So just click on manage activities. So here different list of activity modules are available. So you can just scroll down to find out your desired activity. So here is simple certificate activity. If you observe it, the eye has line through it, means it is disabled. So just click on that eye so that that line will get removed and eye will becomes a blue color. It indicates that that activity is enabled. So see here, now simple certificate has eye, it does not have line through it, means it is enabled now. So again back to our course by clicking on site home options available in the left top corner. You will be here Then just click on your course name. So you will in the course, scroll down and then click on add an activity or resource. So now you will be able to find the simple certificate activity is available in the list of activities. So just select it and click on add. So you will get this window adding a new simple certificate. So just provide a certificate name and introduction. So just I will give a course completion certificate along with some introduction. Next option is design option, that is certificate image file. You can drag and drop a image file which you have created earlier into this box or just click on it, so you will get this pop-up window. So just click on choose file, then click on your file and then click open. So simple certificate will be uploaded on our Gnomio course. So just click on upload this file. So here the image has been uploaded. Below that they have mentioned the accepted file types. So you will be able to create an image of certificate in that files. Next is the certificate text. It is a very important part of simple certificate creation. So just click on question mark in front of certificate text. You will get this pop-up window. It will gives you an instruction how to insert a certificate text into certificate image file. The common text you can type in a normal way, but if you want to insert a username or course name, grade, first name or last name of different participants, so you have to follow the rules mentioned in this Gnomio course. That is, you have to use a special type of brackets, that is curly brackets. In curly brackets you have to mention in capitals. If you want to insert a username, so you have to write it down a username word in capital in curly brackets. Likewise, they have given all the list which we can able to incorporate into our certificate. So I have written here in their specific format, that is by using curly brackets. So if I want to insert their first name, last name, department name, institutions along with date. After that just click on that show more option. So it will give the dimensions of certificates. Certificate width and height is exactly matched to the A4 size paper. Along with it will shows the horizontal as well as vertical position of certificate text. So keep it as it is given here. You have to do a trial and error basis so that your certificate text will be aligned properly on certificates. So next is certificate back page. If you want, then you can enable the certificate back page and upload the image, but here I don't want a certificate back page, so I will select the certificate back page no. Then scroll down and click on other options. You have to set these options, that is, if you want to print outcomes you can select it as yes. If you want to print date you can select from drop down. Print grade, this option will helps you to give a grade on your certificates. You can able to insert the grades of whole course or for a specific activity, for assignments or specific quiz. You can able to choose the grade format also. If you want to QR code on your certificates, option is available. Either the QR code is on first page or on second page. Then if you want to give the restriction access, you can set it. If you want do a activity completion criteria, you can set it and then click on save and display option. So you will be here. So just click on get certificates. Once you click, the certificate will be pop up. So here if you see, the certificate text are not aligned properly, it does not having the proper position. So just go back and click on this gear icon, then you will get this pop-up window, select Edit Settings, scroll down, then click on Show More, and then now you have to do a trial and error basis of horizontal and vertical position for certificate text. I have done it, changing the horizontal as well as vertical positions. Then scroll down and click on Save and Display option. So again click on Get Certificates. So now these certificates have a proper align with user image, user name, first name, last name, department name, institute name along with the date. So you have to do a trial and error basis for the horizontal as well as vertical position of certificate text. Once you have done it, so just ask the students to get the certificates by following processes. So just in students login, they have to ask to click on a simple certificates or a course completion certificates. Then in their login, this window will appear. Then once they click on get certificates, they will get certificate like this. So that particular image has been changed, the name change along with the date change. If you insert a grade, the grade also will be incorporated into your certificates. Now if you want to delete or edit issued certificates, so how to do that? So just into admin login, in certificate section, you have to click on these issued certificates. Select that particular certificates which is awarded to that particular students or participants. Just click on that, select it and delete selected options. So it will delete that particular certificate. Then ask that particular participants or students to make a proper changes in their profile. For example, change in first name, last name, department name or institute name or profile picture. Once they have done the proper setting, then ask them to repeat the process for getting the certificates. That is, in student login, they have to click on certificates and click on get certificates. So they will get a proper certificates. So by this way, we can able to create a certificates and award to the students or the participants, so that this is the system, that is automatic system for awarding of certificates to the students. Hopefully you have understood how to create a simple certificates and how to award a simple certificates to the learners, along with how to delete the awarded certificates, how to make a changes into certificates. Thank you very much. Happy learning.